So I was walking down, and this is some Lord of the Rings stuff right here, look. It's pretty chilly right now. Got Daniel making some breakfast. Come on, man. Yeah. What are we doing for breakfast? What do we got?
Got water for oatmeal and coffee going. About to warm up some sausages.
Nice. Sounds like breakfast for champions. And we got people paragliding over here. I saw them landing all morning. Turns out there's a flight school nearby here. Last night, of course, it was empty, but now a ton of cars here. I bet it's just gonna get more and more full as the day goes by.
You're gonna get cold fast, Sweden.
Oh, yeah. This is our sleeping quarters last night. Now turned into a dining table. I'm not sure if you can see it. Everything's frosted. Yeah, let's grab some breakfast and then we'll go for our hike. See that sun right there? Yes. Oh, sun. That's what's up right there.
Yeah, you can just feel it.
You can, right? It's so different.
Alright, let's grab.
So we're taking that road up and then going all the way up. We might actually get to see where the paragliders jump off. So is the guest house up there?
Yeah, it's about 3 kilometers in if I remember. But it's like pretty close to the top.
Okay.
And the chapel of the hermits also.
Right.
Set deep in the caves.
Hermit chapel. I like it. Oh, it looks high, man. It looks real high. Not entirely sure how high I am right now. Well, it looks pretty high. Check out that view. How good's that? I think soon we'll be at the same height where the paragliders are jumping off from. We'll see how we go. Not too bad. There's more up to go. We'll have a coffee and then we'll see what's up.
This is Berg Gasthaus Asher, but we didn't actually have a coffee here because it was so full. So we continued hiking up and had a snack at Berg restaurant Scheffler instead. In between these two checkpoints though, there were some cool things to see. We walked past this prayer room and also a small hut which I assume used to be the home of someone who lived up here in the mountains. There are signs posted in these different places as well, as long as you can read German.
Wow. Do you think people have been living in this
hut?
these Alps, not in this hut, no, for the last 30,000 years in these mountains?
Alright. I wish I could understand all of this. Neanderthal? I know that. Why would they light up this place? I have no idea. How much of that do you understand?
Not all of it, so some sort of the artistic wall, or the painted wall.
Yeah.
Essentially the mural behind the altar in the chapel. And this door
What's special about it?
contain the killer. Ready to time, something serves as the milk killer, and still today stores here the stuff for the Gasthaus Escher. That was a very broken thing I just said. But you see that barrel in there? It said whiskey on it.
Yeah. Very nice, very cool. Alright, we're gonna go grab some coffee now. See what's up. Boom, that's it. Eben Alp Gasthaus. On the top of the mountain. Dude, I wanna be in this shot. Bang. What a view, hey? Oh, I gotta say, it's pretty full. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at these mountains. I'll go closer to get a better shot. Any idea how high we are?
1650 meters, 5,200 feet.
Right.
Maybe more, probably more than 5,200 feet.
More? Wow. What a view though, man. Hey man. Yeah. Check that. How insane are those mountains? Come on, man. So the sign says I'm supposed to be walking down here. But look how steep that is, dude. Alright. Let's do it. All the way around and around. Check out that rock face. Come on. Come on. Let me get a better view. I don't know why, but I really like these huge rock faces. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but they're massive. It's massive. It just feels so tiny at the base of them. Well, we still got a ways to go to the Seealpsee. So let's keep walking. Right. We're trying to get to the Seealpsee. Even Alp is where we were. Alp is too far. So methinks this is the path to go down. Also, because that one looks up. Yeah. It's gotta be this one. Let's do it. Not sure how long more we got to go, but I can hear the lake. So that's a good sign. I hope I'm getting closer. Alright, we'll see how we get along. It's now 3:38. Not sure, I'm just gonna follow the road, see what happens. See if it leads me to the Seealpsee. Knees are kind of shaking though. Been walking downhill for so long. Bingo, we're at the gate. Seealpsee. That away. 10 minutes. Alright, let's go. 10 more minutes. Should be at the Seealpsee. Never thought I'd be so happy to walk some uphill. Oh, this is it right here. Got real cold, so I had to put on my jacket and everything. But this is the Seealpsee. It's quite frozen. And that's the Seealpsee guest house. Look at this frozen lake. So I'm gonna wait for him in this frigid cold. Maybe go to a place where I can see more area. Maybe up there. Up there. There? There. See more. Guest house, Seealpsee. Looks like everything's closed. Oh, dude. I wish I had my drone with me. Look at that. Doesn't get much better than that. So I guess I'll just wait here, see if Daniel shows up. There you go.
Hey, what's up team? Thanks for watching the video, and special thanks to Daniel for organizing and planning the route and getting me off my butt to do this hike. I did what pretty much everyone else who has been on a hike with Daniel did, and that is to let him go all the way to the top and then meet him up there 2 hours later. If you have ever gone hiking or running with Daniel, you know that he's insanely fit. So if you have any Daniel left me behind kind of stories from your hike or your run, put them in the comments below and then we can console each other. Anyways, the route that he planned is in a link in the description below. It's in a Komoot link, and you can see all the distances that we traveled, the height that we had to climb. You'll see in the link that it is quite a challenging hike. where it was 3,000 feet in elevation and 10 miles in total. So it will take you a number of hours, so just be prepared for that. Anyways, you know the drill. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.